Hello, dear customer. This is our QLQ automatic metal zipper chemical cold-plating machine. This one is for 2 chemical tanks and it is for making the anti-silver color. I would like to introduce the advancement of this machine. The first one is you can see the model is middle and the length is about 5 meters and the width is about 1 meter. So it occupies less space in your factory. It can save the chemical if you don't have to make so much quantity per day. Okay? And the second one is we have 2 sensors on this frame. The first one is here. It is for sense the zipper is in the frame or not. And the second one is here. It's for sense the tightness of the zipper. If the zipper is too tight, then the sensor will be used and the zipper will stop running on the machine. Okay, this one is the second advantage of the machine. And we have added the oven and ultrasonic part in our machine. The oven is for drying the zipper. After 1 cycle of running for the chemical, and then go into the oven machine for drying. Okay, and we have added the ultrasonic part for removing the oil on the zipper more clearly, because the shaking frequency will be added after by this ultrasonic generator, and it will move the oil of the zipper more clearly. And we have used thicker PP board in our machine. You can see the PP board weight is about 50 millimeters and it is anti-corrosion of the chemical. So here is all for the details of our machine. If you are interested, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you.